How to set English language in your laptop. So what we'll do is we'll search in our search bar for our settings app, and after searching for our settings app we'll be able to see a lot of options available here. So we'll simply click on time and language here and click on our typing option, and then we have to scroll down a bit and click on the language and reason option, and there we have to make sure to click on our country or region and click on our country, like change our country. I mean, we can change our particular country into any US or any place where their language is English. And after like searching for the language, you can simply choose any language that you like and you can add it. Here I am searching for Britain. After searching for Britain, you can simply click on that, and after adding the language we have to go and sort our like preferred language into US, and after that you can like simply click on the language option, and you have to make sure that all of these are installed. You have to make sure that your laptop or your device is up to dated, and then you can be able to set your English language in your laptop easily. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and let us know.